Welcome. If you want to use one hand mode in your LG G6, let's go for the settings. And right now we have to move for the search pool in the upper section. So type here and type mini. Select then the mini view. And right now we have to use the switcher to activate this option. And right now, as you can see, we have to swipe from the left or the right from the home button. So let's try it. Tap OK. And as you can see right now, we can easily reach a very part of the screen with our one hand. So that's how it looks. And if you want to just exit this mode, you have to click on the arrow outside or this marker right here. So thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.